In case you wonder how I attempted to take out the excess glued tape that or self-adhesive tape that wasn't quite in the right position, the idea was to scrap it a bit with the tip of a screwdriver in order to reduce the height difference between the part that wasn't glued and the part that is glued. So the idea is that if we have a previous layer of sticky tape, I'm not going to take that one out. If I have, however, as you can see over here, a part that was deformed as the battery expanded, I'm going to make an attempt at leaving it at the same level. So roughly when the two parts are going to be mated, they are not going to have an issue. I think the pressure on the backside is going to be enough in this case. I'm not expecting it to be overly strong or very good, but I think it will be able to withstand the stress, especially when I think that it's going to be inside the cover. So since the phone is going to be protected, I'm not expecting the slight issues with the quality of repair to be serious. And again, I would like to have an easier way to get access if this phone has some sort of issues further down the line, though I'm not entirely sure if I will be making a repair attempt, but anyway, I think that this one works quite well. However, since I got to this point, if I have to say the design is good or not, I will say it's not bad. Particularly, I would have enjoyed the connector to be more accessible. I think that would be my first disappointment in this case, but I don't think it was that bad. The second one would be that the mounting system, I think it was quite good, since a bulging battery did not crack the backside. This would have been much more difficult to repair. And I remember most phones having this problem because there wasn't enough space. I'm pretty sure that the classical mounting position, that meant that the backside was easily taken out just by unclipping, would not have survived this. So there is an advantage to having a backside that is glued like that, because ultimately it could be able to withstand the bulging battery without any sort of serious damage. On the other side, as mentioned, from a serviceman's point of view, I don't think it's overly difficult to repair the phone. I am quite sure that those self-adhesive tape parts could be purchased separately. I'm not going to do that because I think it's pointless. But anyway, you could probably make a repair that would be just as good as the original product, even right now after around 5 years since the product was launched. I'm not entirely sure if this will happen some years down the line, because most products are going to have an issue with spare parts availability, but for the moment I think they are quite alright. Alright, so I think I could do this also with my nails just to end this part. It's not, let's say from my point of view, it's not high quality work, but I think it will be quite decent. Alright, so let's make sure that we are making a proper alignment, because this matters even more than all of our attempts at making a clean point connection. Okay. And I still do not think we did it the right way, because the lower side is not aligned. Unfortunately, we don't have hints, and I'm not very good at positioning the back cover, so I will make multiple attempts, which will probably not make the sticky tape have any sort of, let's say, advantage compared with the previous time I took it out, because the more you're placing it and you're taking it out, the less the sticky tape is going to have a chance of bonding. So this is why I said that probably with every attempt I'm actually making a problem, but hopefully with enough force, not too much because I do not want to crack the phone, I think that it's going to be decent. Alright, so as far as I can tell, it's working, it's fine. So if you really wanted to see how I managed to clean it and how it looks at the end, I think you have quite a good chance of noticing it. Right now I'm making sure that it's quite evenly glued, and I think we will leave it as is. So I hope you enjoyed also this additional small short video. So thank you very much for watching.